Hello guys, welcome back to Quiz Thoughts. Let's play. Guess the lifespan of 25 birds. Then drop your final score in the comments. Let's go. Estimate a budgie's living years. Answer is 4 to 15 years. Guess the lifespan of a canary. What's your number? Seven to 15 years. Estimate the lifetime of a finch. 5 to 15 years. How many years do you think a lovebird lives? Answer C. What number would you say for cockatiel age? 10 to 15 years. Guess the lifespan of an eagle. 20 to 30 years. Guess parrot life in years. Answer is 40 to 60 years. Penguin lifespan. What's your guess? Answer C. Make your guess. "68 years. Dare to guess mallard age. Answer is 5 to 10 years. Put your guess out there. Ostrich lifespan. 30 to 50 years. What number pops into your head for sandhill crane's age? 7 years. Great blue heron lifespan. What's your guess? Answer is 15 years. Answer B. 20 to 30 years. How many years does goose lives? 10 to 25 years. How many years do owls usually live? Answer A, 5 to 12 years. Guess the lifespan of a kingfisher. "15 years. Tree swallow lifespan. What's your guess? Answer is 3 to 12 years. Answer C. Think you can guess woodpecker years. Woodpecker lives 4 to 12 years. Can you guess how long a mourning dove can live? Mourning dove lives 2 to 4 years. What do you think is the peafowl's lifespan? Answer A. How old do you reckon a hummingbird can get? Answer is B. Share your guess. Blackbird life expectancy. 3 years. How old does the average crow get? Seven to 8 years. So guys, how's the game today? Comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe us. We will bring you many more challenges.